Hello everyone, this is Raj. Welcome back to my channel again. So this video is about how to choose a research topic. So first of all, when you're choosing a research topic, you should identify the issue of interest. Okay, so identify the area of interest. For that, you should understand three different things, or you should follow three different steps that will help you in identifying the issue or the topic of interest. The first thing is brainstorming. So you should try to just think deeply within yourself on which area you should investigate. And the next thing is a literature review. So you should do the literature search by using the keywords, using the different search engines like Google Scholar, or you can even refer to the journals, or you can look in the textbooks. So there could be different sources of literature, so which you might have already studied in the literature review. And the next thing is discussion with the colleagues and supervisors, because it really helps. Okay, and after that you can make a research topic very easily, and for that while preparing a research topic you should keep three things in mind. The first thing is what to study. Okay, so you should understand in which issue you want to investigate, and the next thing is among whom to study, so the study population should also be very much clear. And the third thing is where to study. The place the area is equally useful. For example, a city or a country. So you should narrow down the place. Okay, because you cannot investigate in the whole world. So you have to specify the topic, you have to specify the population, and you have to specify the place. And also you should bear in mind the three more important tricks and tips, or three more important criteria. And the first thing is that the outcomes should be measurable. Okay, and the second point is the study should fill the gap in the existing knowledge. And the third thing is the research should be feasible. Okay, for example, let me show you a sample topic. So use of tobacco among high school adolescents in the city of China. So use of tobacco is the what component. Okay, so this is the topic or the issue, and high school adolescents is the population, that is whom component, and the city of China is where component. And if you see this topic, so you see that the outcome is measurable because you can measure the use of tobacco. Okay, you can simply ask the questions, or you can administer the questionnaire and measure that outcome. And also the study you should equally look whether the study will fill the gap in the existing knowledge. So you should check the literature whether the topic has already been carried out, the research has already been carried out in the given topic, in the given place. And also the research is feasible. So the research, so you should always check whether you have sufficient resources or sufficient expertise, and you have sufficient time to carry out the research. Okay, so let me show you some of the example of the topic, so that it will be easy for you to frame your one research topic in your area. So using these three different components of the topic, so what, whom, and where. So the first topic is household solid waste management practices among slum dwellers in Mumbai. So here you measure the household waste management practices among the population is slum dwellers, and the place is Mumbai. And the next example of topic is patterns of pesticide use among commercial farmers in Bhaktapur, Nepal. So patterns of pesticide use is the issue, commercial farmers is the population, and Bhaktapur, Nepal is the place. Similarly, traditional healing practices among rural people in Vietnam. So traditional healing practices is the what component, and rural people is the population, and Vietnam is the place. Association between advertisement practices and banks' performance in Dhaka. So you measure the association between advertisement practices and performance, and the banks is the population, that is the whom, and Dhaka is the place. Okay. So another example of the topic is factors associated with the use of junk food among school-going children in Mexico, a review of literature. So you measure the factors associated with the use of junk food. Okay, that is the what component, and school-going children is the population, and Mexico is the place. So here you see that the research is being carried out in the whole country. So it's feasible because you are doing the literature review. So if you are doing the literature review, you can do the research in the entire country or even the group of countries. But if you are doing the primary research by collecting data by yourself, for example doing a thesis, then you might have to narrow down the place. But when you're doing the literature review, when you want to do the research by secondary data analysis or by the literature review, then you can do the research in a larger population or for example in a whole country. Okay, so this is how you make a research topic. Hope you like the video. If you think that this is really useful, please share it with your colleagues. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe below and leave your comments as well, so that I can be motivated to make the similar useful videos in the future. Thank you. Bye bye. Cheers.